Come, pull the tranny to you, man. It's sitting, something stuck it under your side. Because it's not moving.
It's sitting on the bar.
So lift the tranny. Either use the jack, guide the wood back under the jack so we can use it to lift it.
Use the jack it up? Yeah.
No, as I'm saying, make sure it's sitting on the wood.
It's sitting on the wood. It is.
Oh, okay. Alright. Because I'm like almost there. Yeah, people, there may be 50 out of a million ways we could have done this easier, but you know, we like hard life.
We like doing something hard.
That's right.
That's the backyard looking.
That's right. We could have just dropped the subframe or the bar and put the sucker in from the bottom. Alright, I'll jack it high enough. I'm almost there. It's like a millimeter of a milli. Alright, what's hitting it? Oh, move the wood them now, because I think those are what's in the way. Ah shit, they're trying to shift back to me. What's, you need to move the shifters up.
It's kind of hard. I want to pinch my finger across the finger.
Man, pinch the finger. What the hell is that? Alright, one side is on the mount, the other one is almost there. See, you should have never put these axles in yet. God, put them in my way. Alright, the passenger side is over the hole. The driver's side not over the hole. You need to rock the tranny to the passenger side. No, the axle clear now. That side is fine. Now the driver's side need to move something to hold it.
The axle.
On the drive.
Move the axle. Axle hold. Move the axle up.
No, something still a hold it because I can't push it. It's not the jack, something to hold it. The fuck? It's not the axle, man. See, the axles are out the way, I still can't push the tranny. I'm telling you, it's like it's sitting on the rubber. You need to lift it over the rubber. No, the rubber, the beam your bar thing. You need to lift the tranny. When I push, you lift. There you go. Whatever you did, it worked. So I'm telling you, it has to lift. I know what I'm talking about. Because I mean, I push. It's like pushing out a baby. If I can't push, then something will hold it. He got the jack. Jack. Whew. Ready? Alright, good. Now go now. There you go. See that? Told you. It's right now. It's over the holes. See how that wasn't so hard? Well, you have them up top, so yeah, and that just goes. Oh, it's not the right side? That's supposed to be on the other side? Me worse. Can I help you? Alright, push it up. So we move with tranny over. I don't know where you go. Can't tell you. In the hole, there's a hole there? Oh, this hole.
Yeah, but it don't stretch.
Wait, so carrying a gear? Yep, it's in second. Try it now. Hmm?
Remember, it's gotta go. It's gotta go on a little bit more. Cause see, it's got a lot of with the bracket holes here.
But I'm lining up with my holes. If you push the bolts through right now, they'll go in.
Yeah, it's probably lined up with the bracket. Those bolts right here is lined up.
For the tranny, the diff,
No, this
drive shaft.
This here.
Don't worry about that shit. That shit you can pull down and adjust.
Oh.
That shit is not important. We're talking about the tranny itself right now. That we need to get in. The shifter. I'm trying to figure out how to go into the hole. You not pulling no further? Oh no. Yep, it moved just now.
Yeah.
Let me see. See, I told you, they'll line up. Duh. I got it. Duh. Hold it, push up.
Wait. See?
What? Where the top washer?
That's how I got it.
Nah, man, there's normally a big flat washer we go on tranny before you put the top nut. You know the little washer will go over here and then you put the nut on? It has to.
Because this one has a washer that goes below it underneath.
Yeah, that comes with the kit, but then there should be one big one for the hole because the nut, see the nut dropping at the hole. You need a washer. This can't work without a washer, but we'll catch it temporarily.
Catch it temporarily. You have to find a washer for it.
Yeah, they need a big doofy broad washer. Alright, that one in.
You gotta catch the others.
These nuts. Where the hole at? Can't find hole. Alright, did I find hole? Nope, wrong hole. Shorty put me in the wrong hole. Yeah, then that dream mall. Give me the other nut.
It's on the floor.
Where? So the fingers, nuts, these nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, then gone to the wave pool. So they rent hotel from last night. Which was good because me have to receive the bed for E, so I couldn't deal with him today anyway, so that's why I just come, because I have to sit down wait till Bob's furniture come. No, we get it, the bed, they did it, they put it in. I mean not bed, it was living room furniture.
Did you get your device?
Yeah, nothing in it funny. I guess he might tell the truth after all, to some degree. There was no action. But then again, you know, people nowadays not talk on phone and text. So you won't hear nothing. So in some cases, it's better now to just hack somebody's phone than using those things. So until I can figure out a method for that, that's why I do cybersecurity at school. When I find the right program, yeah, I will be invincible.
Just take time to figure
Or make the damn program, shit.
that too.
Alright, let me go back to my welding. You're fixing up under the bottom. I want to at least get one side of the pipe done before nightfall. Oh, I broke the oil cap. Mother's cunt. How the fuck did I do this? I think I went in a lean pan it. Damn, son. I broke the oil cap, man. That's not good. That's not cool. Okay, where were we? Ah, yes. Building the pipe. So we need a 20-degree cut here to angle the pipe down more. So I need to cut this off at a 20-degree slope. Just trying not to shave away too much pipe. Gotta protect my arm because this thing splatters shavings like a mother, and it burns and it sinks into your skin, and you don't want those metal shards in your skin. You will develop skin cancer. Wait, what? Did this thing short out?